Hello everyone, how are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Are
We
you
are fine,
enjoying?
ma'am. How are you?
Very nice, I'm also good. Are you enjoying weather? Are you enjoying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
weather is very pleasant today, and you are approaching your UTs. So today, what we will do in our English class, we will take a revision, right? So every
Yes,
one
ma'am.
of you have to take your pen, pencil, and everything, and you have to jot it in your notebook. Fine. Once we will also discuss about the questions, and one by one every one of you will give me answer. Fine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the first question I have taken for your revision is fill in the blanks with correct verb. You have read verbs agreement, right? So what you will do, आप यहाँ पर करेक्ट फॉर्म जो है वर्ब की कौन सा वर्ब यहाँ पर आएगा, सिंगुलर में आएगा या प्लूरल के लिए कौन सा वर्ब आएगा, दैट यू विल राइट. A car and a bike dash her means of transport, right? A car or a car and a bike. The two subjects are joined here with word and. Fine. So what will come here? Is or are. What will come here?
R.
Are. Why are will come? Can anyone say?
Ma'am.
Because there are two means of transport.
Exactly. There
Yes,
are two
ma'am.
means of transport. One is bike and one is car. And both the subjects are joined together with the word end. So in that case, we will use the plural verb. Fine. The next question is 9 miles dash too far to walk. 9 miles dash too far
R.
to walk. Are. Is this the correct answer?
No, ma'am. It will come is.
It will come is. Why? Why is will come?
Ma'am, because
Hmm.
when we were studying the chapter, in there some rules came where it was
Exactly.
written like in subjects we put always is.
Okay, so the reason here is कि यहाँ पे लिखा ऑल्दो जरूर है कि माइल्स है ना, यहाँ पे प्लूरल में दिया हुआ है, माइल्स लिखा हुआ है, बट फॉर अ डिस्टेंस और अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वी यूज अ सिंगुलर वर्ब. So the correct answer is 9 miles is too far to walk. Fine, that's good. Then the next question is here dash the books. Here
Here is
dash
is
hmm?
is
Here
is
are the books.
is.
Here someone is saying Kunal is saying is and Vanishka is saying are. So can you give me the explanation for your answer, both is and are?
Ma'am, I cannot say is.
You
Ma'am,
don't say
I can
is?
tell because of R.
Ma'am,
Yes.
his.
Ma'am, here R will come because there
Yes.
is books. Books is a plural
Exactly.
noun.
Exactly. The real subject is books and the books is a plural. So books लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे and this is a plural. That's why with here and there we will use the verb according to the real subject. What is the real subject given in singular or plural? We will use the verb. So the answer is here are the books. The next is there dash a high hurdle to jump.
Is.
Is very correct. Is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
correct
Is.
answer. Can you give reason for your answer?
Ma'am, because in last jump is
Exactly.
plural.
Exactly. It is a singular. It is a singular high hurdle, right? तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे सिंगुलर जो वर्ब है आपकी उसको यूज करेंगे. सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस मोर क्वेश्चंस लाइक दिस, जिससे कि आप अपने टेस्ट में अच्छा करो, बेटर परफॉर्मेंस दो. गुड. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम योर रीडर, दैट इज What is the poem A Teacher for All Season about? You have to give
May I
answer.
spell?
Wait for a second.
The poem is about the value of a good teacher in a
Student's life. Very good. The answer is correct. आपने जो टीचर है, a teacher for all season, या आपने पढ़ा था पोम में कि जो टीचर है is always available for you to sort out your problems, to motivate you. तो यहाँ पर the answer is that the poem is about a good teacher, right? Good teacher जो है उसकी लाइफ में क्या वैल्यू है आपके टीचर की. So do you think there is a value of teacher in your life?
Yes,
Think
ma'am.
of it. Very nice. As you are sitting far off place and your teachers are giving you lectures and explaining you the text, so this matters, right? So the answer is the poem is about the value of good teachers in a student life. What makes studying a pleasure? What makes studying a pleasure?
A teacher cheerful natures make studying a pleasure.
Natures or nature?
Nature.
It is only nature. A teacher's, एक teacher का cheerful nature. When a teacher is always available for you, a teacher is always there for you with a good or a cheerful mood, right? So this makes the study a pleasure. ठीक है. अगर हम ऑलरेडी टेंशन में हैं, if you are not getting sums, if you are not getting answers for English or other subject and your teacher is angry, so then and there you cannot get the pleasure in the study. When you see your teacher is always cheerful in nature, so it makes your study pleasure. Correct? Now everybody has to write it. Write your answers. Write your answers faster. Then we will solve one more question.
Done, ma'am.
Done? That's nice.
No, ma'am.
No worries, beta. I will send you picture on group. Right? If you have not written in time, I'll send you picture on group. But once you try, so we have solved one exercise for subject verb agreement and 2 or 3 questions from your reader for revision, right? So here we have done correct verb. A car and a bike are her means of transport. Why we are using are here? Because there is a car and a bike and both of the subjects are joined together with end, right? Second is 9 miles is too far to walk. 9 miles is too far to walk. यहाँ पे प्लूरल इसलिए नहीं लगाएंगे कि यहाँ पे माइल्स लिखा हुआ है. यहाँ पर सिंगुलर का यूज किया जाएगा because for a distance or a period of time we use a singular verb, right? Next is here are the books. As the real subject is in plural, books, that's why we will use are here. Then there is a high hurdle to jump. So high hurdle is a singular subject, that's why we will use is. The next question they ask is, what is the poem A Teacher for All Season about? Look here. The poem is about the value of good teachers in a student's life. एक बच्चे की लाइफ में टीचर जो है उसकी वैल्यू क्या है, कहाँ स्टैंड करता है एक टीचर, कैसे मोटिवेट करता है, कैसे आपको आगे बढ़ने के लिए encourage करता है. So this is all written in this poem. The next question, what makes studying a pleasure? The cheerful and good nature of your teacher makes the study pleasure, right? So how many of you have done it? Should I rub 2 questions? Those who have not written, I'll send you it on WhatsApp, right? So there is one more question, that is question 4. What changes had been to the railroad car to turn it into a classroom? Then who will give me answer? Who will give the answer?
Ma'am, your skin is not clear.
This is not clear?
Ma'am, railroad car has
Hmm?
a blackboard in front,
Exactly. Hmm?
school-wise table chair.
एग्जैक्टली जो सीटिंग है वो भी चेयर किया हुआ था. एंड रेल रोड कार जो था उसको क्या किया था, एक व्हाइट बोर्ड या ब्लैक बोर्ड जो है वो फ्रंट में फिक्स किया गया था फॉर राइटिंग. गुड. एनी अदर चेंजेस?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Different from Toko-chan school.
Sorry, I don't get it.
It was different from Toko-chan
एग्जैक्टली.
school.
हाँ, इट वॉज टोटली डिफरेंट. जो उसका प्रीवियस स्कूल था उससे बिल्कुल डिफरेंट था. वाई इट वॉज डिफरेंट? कि ये रेल रोड कार में बनाया हुआ था. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट. बट द क्वेश्चन हियर व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग कि व्हाट चेंजेस हैड बीन मेड, क्या चेंजेस किए गए थे? दैट वी नो कि देयर इज अ डिफरेंस.
Ma'am,
यस.
Tongyu Jatin allowed to student to sit anywhere.
हाँ, the students were allowed to sit anywhere, but I am asking
The
बच्चे,
students were
I am asking
there were seats not of train. They were like school-like benches.
एग्जैक्टली. जो लेंथ वाइज सीट्स लगे हुए थे. आप देखते हो ना कि जो कार होता है, चेयर कार जो होता है, उसमें ऐसे लेंथ में लगे रहते हैं सीट्स. उनको किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया था? उनको रिमूव कर दिया गया था और उनके प्लेस पे क्या कर दिए गए थे? जो आपके स्कूल के सीटिंग बेंचेस होते हैं उनको वहां पे एडजस्ट कर दिया गया था. एंड चेयर्स ऑल्सो कैप देयर, राइट. एक क्या कर दिया था, फ्रंट में आपके ब्लैक
There
बोर्ड
is
जो है.
a sliding door on classroom.
I don't get it. Sound once again.
There is a sliding door on railroad car.
हाँ, देयर वॉज स्लाइडिंग डोर्स. ये तो हमें पता है कि वहां पे स्लाइडिंग डोर्स थे, बट हमने क्या क्या चेंजेस किए? वी हैव टू राइट चेंजेस. अच्छा, और एक और चीज थी, देयर वर हैंडल्स. ठीक है, रेस्ट हैंडल्स
Yes,
थे
and there
ऊपर
were handles
उनको.
and space to keep their bags.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So you people will write this answer for your own, right? You will learn it and then write it yourself. Fine, everyone? Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
So, okay. So that's
Okay,
all
ma'am.
for-
Fine, ma'am.
Huh, that's good. So you have to read all the chapters which are coming for your UTs. You have to learn answers very perfectly.
Ma'am,
You
can
will-
I tell the answer?
Yes.
The changes that were made to convert the railroad car into a classroom were
Yes.
that the blackboard had been placed at the front of the car.
Wait. The blackboard had been placed in front of the car. एक blackboard लगा दिया गया था वहाँ पे. So then it looks or gives a feeling of classroom. Very good. Next point is
The lengthwise seat had been school desks.
hmm?
Chairs
Lengthwise.
were placed
Hmm?
facing the blackboard and
Fine.
the
Yes.
and
And last
the
is
hand straps had
हाँ
been removed.
हैंड रेस्ट जो थे वो भी क्या कर दिए गए थे, रिमूव कर दिए गए थे. दैट्स अ गुड आंसर. नाउ राइट इट इन योर नोटबुक. Learn it first, then write it, and learn other answers also, and do practice of your grammar portion, right? So that's all for today. Hope everybody has written all these questions in revision. Fine, everyone?
Yes,
Everybody
ma'am.
has written? Fine. Okay. Take care of. Okay, now leave the class. Take care of you. Fine, everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.